Now she's doing this very well. Normally they shake the springs out and they shake them back and they say, the springs are too heavy. And you go, no, 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 no. Press with your back, not your legs. And then they get it. But it won't be as smooth as this. Just know, be patient, be patient. No one's going to sit tall like this as a beginner, okay? And out, and you just try your best. So you just say, can you grow a little taller? Can you try and work with the ribs deeper? That's it, and your rhythm is equal, and you're controlling the machine. And this is great. So there's no under, up, none of that. It's just out and in, getting the feel of the springs, knowing the strength of the springs, know how to control the recoil of the spring, that it doesn't shoot back. And a lot of people will not straighten their legs there. That's okay. You leave it. You leave it. They don't straighten their legs. It'll come right.